Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to apply effects on multiple clips in DaVinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful when you want to maintain consistent visual styling across several clips without having to manually add the same effect over and over again. Let's dive into it. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and wait for it to load completely. Once you're in, navigate to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on Edit to enter the editing workspace. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to assembling and enhancing your footage. Now, there are actually two different methods you can use to apply effects across multiple clips, and I'll walk you through both of them so you can choose whichever works best for your workflow. Let's start with the first method. At the top of your screen, click on Effects, then click on Effects again from the drop-down menu. This will open up your effects library where you can browse through all available effects. Select any effect you want to apply and drag it directly onto a clip in your timeline. Once you've done that, click on the clip that now has the effect applied to it. Press Ctrl-C on your keyboard to copy it. Now here's the key part. Highlight all the clips you want to apply this effect to. You can do this by clicking and dragging across them or holding Shift while clicking. Right-click on those highlighted clips and select Paste Attributes from the menu that appears. A window will pop up with several options. Make sure to check Fusion Effects, or whichever category matches the type of effect you inserted. Then click Apply. The effect will now be applied to all the clips you selected, keeping everything perfectly synchronized. Now let's look at the second method, which involves using an adjustment clip. Head back to the Effects panel and look for Adjustment Clip. Drag the adjustment clip onto the timeline, placing it on the track above your clips. This is important because the adjustment clip needs to sit on top of the clips you want to affect. Resize it by dragging its edges until it stretches across all the clips you want to apply effects to. The adjustment clip acts like a transparent layer that affects everything beneath it. Now go back to your effects panel and select any effect you want to use. Instead of dragging it to individual clips, drag it directly onto the adjustment clip. The effect will instantly apply to all clips that sit underneath that adjustment layer. This method is particularly helpful when you're working with a large number of clips or if you want the flexibility to adjust or remove effects quickly later on. And that's it. You've now learned two powerful techniques for applying effects to multiple clips in DaVinci Resolve, saving you time and keeping your edits consistent. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.